Good day. Welcome to my report, which is all about science and technology in society. But before that, I will discuss first what is science and technology. Man has progressed through science and technology. Today, science has made the impossible things possible. He had reached on the moon. He had made difficult works easy through technology. Science and technology have made the life safe, secure, and comfortable. Today, we are totally dependent on science, whether it is inside or outside the home. Now, we can enjoy every second of our life through them. Technology have totally changed the field of entertainment. Now, we can entertain ourselves through computers, games, TV, and so on. Electric light, air, conditioner, fan, and all the electronic gadgets are all gifts of science. We can enjoy cold coffee, mango shakes, cold drinks during summer season through refrigerators. All these things are possible through science and technology. Advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of science and technology are: 1. It will make our life easier. 2. It helps us organize our daily activities. 3. This helps our work can be done faster. 4. It helps us to communicate more easily with others. 5. This helps us to better know and understand other cultures and societies. By discovering science, scientists are able to create something that can immeasurably improve the quality of life. For example, computers, telephones, televisions, planes, and the list go on. With the discovery of these inventions, people can achieve their aspirations much more easily. As we know, science has helped our country a lot. It can turn a small, poor country into a progressive country. Science is the only hope of man against diseases. Without the inventions of science and the ceaseless efforts of scientists, many diseases such as the malaria, the cancer, etc., were considered incurable disease and disease in the past world. These diseases would be defeated. Science has brought many unique benefits to humanity. The vast progress made in the field of medicine has made it possible to extend our life expectancy and reduce the infant mortality rate. The discovery of mechanization, better seeds, better irrigation techniques, and pest control has helped to increase farm productivity levels. By discovering science, scientists are able to create something that can be immeasurably improve the quality of life. For example, computers, telephones, televisions, and the list go on. With the discovery of these inventions, people can achieve their aspirations much more easily. The disadvantages of science and technology are: 1. It can be easily handled by responsible people. 2. We will be too dependent on that. When technology fails, we are helpless in one way or another. Sometimes it affects our health and our lifestyle. We will be complacent and lazy. Chemicals are dangerous. 4. It destroys our simple and healthy life, the traditional lifestyle I miss. 5. Invasion of our private life. If on the one hand, science and technology have brought us a lot of wonders, on the other hand, there are also disadvantages of science and technology. First, it has increased anxiety in our lives. Second, when technology fails into the wrong hands, it can have a negative impact in society, such as the rising rate of cyber criminality, hacking, theft of personal information, and pornography websites. Third, technology has also increased alternatives and opportunities for terrorists. In addition, technology has removed our physical efforts, and we are getting more luxurious and comfort living. Economies lagging behind in the integration of new technologies are seen as poor economies, and their progress in the world is hampered. If on the one hand, science and technology have brought us a lot of wonders, on the other hand, there are also disadvantages of science and technology. But in this also the fault lies not in science, but rather in the intention of man to abuse the discoveries of science. Science is not intrinsically good or bad. It is a way to acquire knowledge in a systematic way. The disadvantage of new mobile phones is too many can communicate with us all at the same time. He can create scams and spam in many ways. Young people have also been very addicted to gadgets that they can spend too much within him. A disadvantage of production is the energy it uses. It consumes a lot of energy to run the machines. Why science and technology are so important in today's life. Science and technology have undoubtedly made our life easier and faster. Almost everything we see around us is the gift of science and technology. Whether it is smartphones, electricity, fans, waves, microwaves, radio, televisions, laptops, wheel, vehicles, cloth, paper, toothbrushes, and etc. We need science and technology in every area of our life. We must always hope to make an effort and ensure that inventions and discoveries in these areas are always used in the interest of the entire human race and to make the world a better place for you. Scientific knowledge teaches us to express our civic aspirations and desire to connect with others and contribute to the world around us. Science and technology have penetrated every aspect of our lives, changing the way we work, how we learn, and how we shop. With the help of things like microwaves, fans, smartphones, and cars, science and technology have made cooking, sleeping, and communicating and transportation easier and faster. We also use technology to communicate with other people around the globe and share information, clean our clothes, prepare our meals, move from one place to another, and in all everyday items like floorboards, door locks, and furniture are technologies that we now take for granted that seem less impressive to us than self-driving cars and 3D painting. Technology and science help us save time and money. Science and technology have generated new knowledge, have greatly contributed to the development and progress in people's lives, and help us save time and money. When you use technology for your business, you can save time and money. Science has given us the knowledge of why cooked or steamed food is better than fried or oiled food, and technology has given us steam cookers, microwaves, and other. Science and technology create new understanding ways. Science has given man an opportunity to create cultures, pursue societal concerns such as ethics, aesthetics, and justice, and improve human conditions. Science and technology feed each other, propelling both forward. Scientific knowledge allows us to make new observations about the world, build more scientific and technical knowledge, and build new technologies. Science and technology help to develop the field of education. Science and technology have made a great contribution to the field of education. The process of science is intertwined with technology applications. Scientific knowledge allows us to solve practical problems, make informed decisions, and develop new technologies. Science has given us tremendous knowledge, and therefore we have an important matter. Science and technology help develop treatment and therapeutic equipment. Science has made great contribution to health by providing treatment for various chronic diseases. Technology devices have improved the care of many patients and helped the record patients real-time data and instantly update their medical history and make their recovery less distressing and painful. We also enjoy many different exercise equipment and health applications and other things that help us maintain a healthy and good life. Chemical changes. Chemical changes occur when substance combines with another to form a new substance called chemical synthesis or alternatively chemical decomposition into two or more different substances. These processes are called chemical reactions and in general are not reversible except by further chemical reactions. Some reactions produce heat and are called exothermic reactions, and others may require heat to enable the reaction to occur, which are called endothermic reactions. Understanding chemical changes is a major part of the science of chemistry. When chemical reactions occur, the atoms are rearranged and the reaction is accompanied by an energy change as new products are generated. An example of chemical change is the reaction between sodium and water to produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So much energy is released that the hydrogen gas released spontaneously burns into the air. This is an example of a chemical change because the end products are chemically different from the substances before the chemical reaction. Evidence of a chemical change. The following can indicate that a chemical change has taken place, although this evidence is not conclusive. Change of odor, change of color, for example, silver to reddish brown when iron rusts. Change in temperature or energy, such as the production, exothermic or loss endothermic of heat. Change of composition, paper turning to ash when burned. Light and or heat given off. Formation of gases often appearing as bubbles in liquids, formation of a precipitate with insoluble particles, the decomposition of organic matter, for example, rotting food. The change is difficult or impossible to reverse. Examples of chemical changes include baking soda and vinegar creating carbon dioxide, iron rusting, and wood burning. Examples of chemical change in everyday life: burning paper and log of wood, digestion of food, boiling an egg, chemical battery usage, electroplating a metal, baking a cake, milk going sour, various metabolic reactions that take place in the cells. That's the end of my report, everyone. Thank you for listening and lending me your ears and eyes to me. Once again, thank you and good luck.